Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Stock Market and Options Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purpose only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. Consult financial professional if you have questions. So I want to start by saying that we've got our next free webinar on Tuesday the 29th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, managing risk using options. So we're going to teach you how to basically manage the risk associated with option trading, stock investments, and stock trading. So I'll give you some tips for traders, some tips for investors. It's really going to be a good catch-all for any level of trader. So go to optionpit.com/risk2019 to register. Speaking of registering, today we are registering much lower volatility. The market is up nicely. It is up a lot. And the VIX is down. The VIX is back below 18. The SPX is up about 23. So 23, 24, we're getting a real nice pop in implied volatility, or drop in implied volatility. So you've got the SPX up, VIX down, VIX down. So kind of across the board. And then I would add that futures are back in a contango. So if you look at futures term structure, you still have a little kink in March, but Feb is below March, and Feb is way above the cash. So I think if I was looking for an area to trade, this may have some China priced into it, but that's kind of the way things are lined up right now, and I think that you're going to see the curve drop and or flatten. With the SPX, we're getting strength out of the NDX. Apple's up nicely. Microsoft is up nicely. Facebook's up after getting kind of punched yesterday. So really everything is looking stronger today. Intel had earnings last night. They're the first of kind of the major top 10 companies in the S&P to have earnings. Did not go so well for them. They missed. That's going to draw down kind of not MU, but if you look at SMH, that's going to have some effect on SMH. So outside of Intel, though, you can see everybody else having a nice day. So maybe it makes you wonder whether Intel was the problem, not the chip industry. So that's something to keep an eye on. And something we'll be looking at to trade. And probably we'll find some other things from there. The XX, you can see, is getting beaten because the futures are getting beaten. PCG is halted, or was, Reg Show. PCG's had a nice rally because the rumor is they're not going to be found liable. So that's going to be extremely bullish for them. And if you look at a stock chart, you can see the implied volatility is starting to come down on this one. So we might be in a level where we're starting to see some interesting trades. I might spend a little time looking at some of this 200% volatility to see what I can come up with. Some of this downside is entirely too expensive. So there could be some funness there. And that's about it, guys. There's rumors that they're getting close to a deal on the government shutdown. That would get the market hotter. And then keep an eye on China. They've got all kinds of problems. And that FXI, though, has been strong relative to where it's been. It's recovered. So that's good news for that. And then, the Russell 2000 continue. It looks the strongest of the regular indexes. That's usually a bullish sign. All right, folks, I hope you have a great morning. Again, make sure you sign up for the webinar, optionpit.com/risk2019, and get yourself signed up for my next webinar, which will be Tuesday in about 4 days. All right, everybody, hope you have a great day. I will talk to you soon.